Hey everyone, it's MKBHD, and you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2024? That's awesome! Starting a YouTube channel can be one of the most rewarding experiences. Whether you want to share your passion, educate others, or just entertain, the possibilities are endless. There's never been a better time to jump in. YouTube is booming. With millions of users logging in every day, the platform is a vibrant community where you can find your niche and grow your audience. More people are watching than ever before. This means your potential audience is vast and diverse. From tech enthusiasts to beauty gurus, there's a place for everyone. This means more opportunities for creators like you. With the right content and consistency, you can build a loyal following and even turn your channel into a full-time career. New trends are popping up all the time. Short-form videos, live streams, and interactive content are just a few ways to engage with your audience. Staying updated with these trends can give you an edge. The ways to connect with viewers are always evolving. Engaging with your audience through comments, live chats, and social media can help build a strong community around your channel. If you're passionate about something, share it. Your enthusiasm can be contagious and attract like-minded viewers who share your interests. You never know who you might inspire. Your content could motivate someone to pursue their dreams or learn something new. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do this. Your YouTube journey starts now, and the world is ready to see what you have to offer. First things first, you need a YouTube channel. Don't worry, it's easy. Just head over to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. Click on your profile picture and select Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your content and personality. Next, it's time to customize. Add a banner image and profile picture that represent your brand. Write a catchy channel description so people know what you're all about. Now you're ready to upload. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, travel. Your passion is your niche. Finding your niche helps you attract viewers who love the same things. Think about what you enjoy talking about and sharing with others. What makes your perspective unique? Maybe you explain things in a fun, easy-to-understand way. Once you've found your niche, stick with it. This builds consistency and helps you become known for something specific. Now for the fun part, creating videos. What kind of content will you make? Think about what your audience wants to see. Tutorials, reviews, vlogs, and challenges are always popular. Invest in a good camera and microphone for quality audio and video. Good lighting is important too. Most importantly, be yourself and let your personality shine through. People connect with authenticity. Section 5. SEO and Promotion. Getting found and growing your audience. This is a crucial step in your YouTube journey. You've made awesome videos, but how do people find them? It's not enough to just create. You need to ensure your content reaches the right audience. That's where SEO comes in. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the magic that helps your videos get discovered. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of strategies to make your content more visible on search engines like YouTube and Google. It's how you help your videos show up in search results. When someone searches for content related to your video, you want your video to be among the top results. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. These keywords should be terms that your potential viewers are likely to search for. Think about what people would type into the search bar to find your content. Put yourself in the shoes of your audience. Promote your channel on social media. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are great for sharing your videos and reaching a wider audience. Share your videos with friends, family, and on your other platforms. Word of mouth can be incredibly powerful. Engage with your viewers in the comments section. Responding to comments can build a community around your channel and encourage more interaction. Don't forget about your thumbnails. A compelling thumbnail can make a huge difference in whether someone clicks on your video or not. Keep an eye on your analytics. Understanding which videos perform well can help you refine your strategy and create more of what your audience loves. Collaborate with other YouTubers. This can introduce your channel to a new audience and help you grow faster. Consider doing live streams. Live interactions can boost engagement and make your audience feel more connected to you. Create playlists to organize your content. This makes it easier for viewers to find related videos and can increase watch time on your channel. Celebrate your milestones and thank your subscribers. Showing appreciation can foster loyalty and encourage more people to subscribe. Plan your content ahead of time. Consistency is key to keeping your audience engaged and coming back for more. Utilize YouTube's Community tab to keep your audience updated and engaged between video uploads. Use end screens to promote other videos on your channel. This can help keep viewers on your channel longer. Don't forget about YouTube cards. They can direct viewers to other videos, playlists, or even external websites. Remember, growing your audience takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, your channel can thrive. Section 6. Making money. Turning your passion into profit. This is where your hard work starts to pay off. Once you've built an audience, you can start making money from your channel. Engaging with your viewers and creating content they love is key. The most common way is through ads. YouTube places ads on your videos, and you earn a share of the revenue generated. YouTube runs ads on your videos, and you get a share of the revenue. The more views and engagement your videos get, the higher your earnings from ads. You can also get sponsorships from brands. Companies are always looking for influencers to promote their products. They pay you to feature their products or services in your videos. This can be a lucrative way to earn money, especially if you have a loyal and engaged audience. Selling merchandise is another great option. Create t-shirts, mugs, or other products that your fans will love. Merchandise not only generates income, but also helps build your brand. Create t-shirts, mugs, or other products that your fans will love. Think about what resonates with your audience and design products that reflect your channel's identity. This way, your fans can feel more connected to you and your content. Another way to monetize your channel is through live streams. During live streams, viewers can send you super chats or donations, which can add up quickly. Consider setting up membership tiers. Offer exclusive content, early access to videos, or special perks to your members. This not only provides a steady income, but also strengthens your community. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you believe in and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. This can be a great way to earn passive income. The key to turning your passion into profit is consistency and creativity. Keep experimenting with different monetization strategies and find what works best for you and your audience. Remember, the journey to making money from your passion takes time and effort. Stay dedicated, keep creating, and enjoy the process. Your hard work will pay off. Section 7. New trends in 2024. Riding the wave of innovation. YouTube is constantly changing, so stay ahead of the curve with these 2024 trends. Short-form videos are exploding in popularity. Platforms like YouTube Shorts are perfect for grabbing attention quickly. Live streaming is bigger than ever. Interact with your viewers in real time and build a strong community. Virtual and augmented reality are becoming more accessible. Explore new ways to immerse your audience in your content. Section 8. Staying consistent. The key to YouTube success. Consistency is key on YouTube. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Create a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a week, let your viewers know when to expect new content. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Building a successful channel takes time and effort. Stay focused, Stay consistent and the results will come. Section 9. Engaging with your community. Building relationships with your viewers. Your viewers are more than just numbers. They're your community. Engage with them. Respond to comments, answer questions, and run polls to get their input. Make them feel heard and valued. Host live Q&A sessions to connect with your audience in real time. Building a strong community fosters loyalty and encourages viewers to keep coming back for more. Section 10. Conclusion. You can do it. Starting a YouTube channel can be daunting, but it's also incredibly rewarding. You have the power to share your passion with the world, connect with like-minded people, and build a successful online presence. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. Your YouTube journey starts now. Go make it happen.